today is a very exciting day because we are about to board this cruise ship and go on a 10-day Mediterranean cruise. So exciting! But first, unfortunately, we have to get through all of this line. We've already been waiting patiently for, I don't know, 20 minutes. It really hasn't been going that slow. But once you are on board, I will take you along as we explore the ship. We are finally all checked in. It took about an hour, but we have our cruise cards. Here we go. Okay, down to floor 4. Yeah, room.
Hey.
Check it out. Oh, it's cute. I like it.
Not too shabby.
A little cozy, but cute.
I wonder if she said here though.
I think it'll be here in a minute. Let's look out the window. There's Barcelona. We got a nice little vanity right here. That'll come in handy. And here is the bathroom. Nice little sink. Here's our shower. So I've been on a cruise before, and showering in a moving boat is very disorienting. And here's a little toilet room. I like it. Time to grab some food because we are starving. We just came to the buffet real quick. We have a nice salad bar, soup and bread, the bar of course, some Indian dishes and pasta. And then hot entrees, carving station, and cold cuts. I ended up going Indian with the veggie curries, some rice, and potatoes. Now that we have some nice full bellies, we're going to explore a little. Found the fitness center. Ooh, cool. That's pretty big. Look at this room. It has a cool view. His job looks a little scary. Look how far down. That is one brave man. That'd be cool to do a cycling class. Looking over the sea. Got some free weights. I think I'll definitely use those. I feel like I'm getting plenty of cardio from like all the walking, but I could do some strength training. There's an arcade. I don't think we'll be in here much. Kyle is so excited right now. This is the Irish restaurant. And there's the center of the ship. Got some glass elevators. Oh man, here is the pool. We have some hot tubs. The main pool over here. And lots of room to lay out. And we have this cute little library. So we just went back to our room and hung some clothes up and took a little nap, and then it's already time for our dinner reservation. So you can eat in that cafeteria area whenever you want, but you have to have a reservation for the main dining rooms. And we made our reservations a couple weeks ago just online, and we're not quite hungry yet, but we'll probably still eat. Versailles dining room. Funny story, there's a Versailles, Missouri spelled like that. And so I kept saying Versailles dining room. It's Versailles dining room, Madison. Come on. You don't want to sound too American. Going to our table. What a pretty dining room. So much of this vlog is food, but for my first course I got a salad with oil and vinegar, and they even brought me gluten-free bread, and Kyle got a salmon dish. And for dinner I got gluten-free pasta, and Kyle got fish. The ship is moving. Goodbye, Barcelona. This is the life, right?
Oh yeah.
We had to go put on sweaters because it's actually kind of chilly. We both wish we would have packed a little bit warmer of clothes, but live and learn. Our 2 sweaters that we brought will get lots of use. We walked by this golf net thing and Kyle had to try. Nice! for the vlog. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.